Action.
Hello, I'm Ted.
Hello, I'm Todd.
We're from MSOE.
We're going to show you around some little stuff, in the labs here at MSOE. So, where do you want to start? We can start here. Here we got it's a kind of a tube tunnel. It's basically, there's a fan at the other end. You can control the air velocity and the volumetric flow and stuff like that. And you use the pitot tube to take measurements, velocity profiles along the axis of the tube.
Do not have a pitot tube here to show you because they're hidden and they're expensive.
They don't want us breaking them.
Got a squirrel cage fan blowing all that wind.
What do we got over here? We got some piping. Up against the wall, there's a ton of pipe work. Then they're installed with orifice devices as well as the Venturi device inside, so you can monitor pressure drops, which would correspond to head loss. You can find out the losses in pipes. Gosh, you gonna show them everything?
Here's a Venturi. You can't see it, but there's a Venturi in there.
This right here is a weigh tank. You weigh water with it. What that gives you is volumetric flow rate of water, or mass flow, depending on what you want. This is basically the same thing, but a condensed version. It's got coils, so you can use a longer tube and get more accurate results. And this is also used for finding friction losses in pipes.
In calculating this, you just assume that it's a straight tube.
I don't know what that is.
That's a part of senior design.
All right, whatever.
They work for NASA.
I don't really know what else. I mean, it's kind of CNC machines over here.
We got a wind tunnel.
You have a wind tunnel. That right there is the giant wind tunnel. Put stuff in it, see how air affects it.
This wind tunnel, it sucks instead of blows. It takes all the air and sucks it through rather than blowing it all out.
Show them the CNC.
Oh, here's a pitot tube.
Yeah.
That's a pitot tube.
Pitot tube.
Pitot tube.
Okay. That's a giant filter to make sure nothing goes in the wind tunnel. And this right here is a CNC machine. It's I'm not sure how many axis it is, but
It's 5.
5 axis. They use it a lot for senior design stuff. Students can design parts on any kind of CAD system, mostly SolidWorks, and they can actually have it made here for if you have a design team. So this is the Harley lab. It was donated to us by Harley Davidson, and basically you can go in there. There's a bunch of desktops you can use, CAD programs. You can do work on there. There's someone in there right now doing it. SolidCast, SolidWorks, all those things like that.
A bunch of finite element, yeah.
This is the MSOE machine shop. Basically, if you have a project to work on, you can actually make it yourself here. You can actually take a class. These are the lathes that are for the class, so that you can learn the basics of lathes and turning. We got a bunch of drill presses here. Move down a little further. Here's all the stock over here. You can pick from all the stock. We got round tubing, octagon, hex, square blocks, everything. This is an arbor press. If you want to press something real hard, you just crank that baby under. We got a set of mills here. These two are usually locked up because they're in good shape. And then these two are usually used by students most of the time. And then behind the mills we have 4 lathes for turning down other parts. Let's see, this one's usually locked out because it's big and it's nice condition, so you use good parts. I don't know. These 3 are usually used by students as well, and then we got sheet metal presses over there and breakers. There's a hydraulic press over there to the right.
Got some bunch of bits over here. This is a size cube.
I'm gonna mill something for you guys real good.